I have a Honda here. This one got smacked in the front, destroyed this radiator support all across the top here. So this one's going to get a new radiator support assembly, which I have right here. I'm going to go ahead and get this one cut out, and then I will start fitting up my new part. I'm actually first going to go ahead and make a quick pull on this, quickly pull this out roughly before I start cutting on this one. It will probably rip right there, and I'll get another bite. So I have this radiator support all fit up. I'm gonna make some comparison measurements. First, right here, I'm checking the length. And that's even side to side. Now I'm gonna do an X to make sure it's square. Perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this radiator support welded in. So one of our painters went ahead and got this all cut in while I was at lunch. So I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap this and get it back to where it's mobile, and I will send this one on over to our paint department so they could paint all of the outside sheet metal.